Damascus steel is renowned for two things: its beauty and its ability to create a blade that's strong enough for rigorous use while remaining flexible enough to resist damage and degradation. It's an achievement that's impressive even by modern knife-making standards. This resilient and attractive steel was manufactured on a large scale until the 18th century, when the iron ore used to make it depleted in Indian mines. Fortunately, diligent research and modern technology have transformed Damascus steel from a historical curio into a resurrected art. Damascus steel is a unique type of steel that features a high carbon content and altering pale and shadowy grains that create distinctive patterns. Today, blacksmiths and knife makers produce it by using a pattern welding process to combine two different steels into a singular design. Modern Damascus steel uses widely available high-carbon steels such as 15 and 20, which are specially blended with elements like nickel and vanadium to achieve specific properties. This broad approach has resulted in variations that are as unique as they are attractive. Crucible steel, also known as water or wood steel, is a non-rare original form of Damascus steel. To produce forge-ready ingots, blacksmiths melted Indian iron ore in crucibles with plant matter and flux materials like glass, then carefully cooled it. Modern blacksmiths have tried to replicate this steel with varying degrees of success. These forge-welded steel blades are improvised work of art, crafted by stacking up small pieces of two altering types of steel, tack welding them together and forging them until the right color is achieved. Once the pile of hot steel has been removed from the forge, it is pounded or pressed together into one lump, fusing the pieces together. The smith then cuts and stacks the newly welded billet before welding it again, repeating this process multiple times to achieve as many layers as possible. Stainless Damascus steel is an evolution of pattern welded steel. The creation process is similar to that for pattern welding, but uses stainless steel instead of the traditional high-carbon steel. If you are trying your hand at making Damascus steel, you may be wondering how many layers are enough. According to the American Blacksmith Society, straight laminated billets of Damascus should have anywhere between 300 and 500 layers in order to attain the perfect outcome, but some knife makers have produced blades with over 500,000 layers. The specifics vary based on the visual outcome you are looking for, as well as the type of metals being banded together. However, the basic processes remain the same. Thanks for watching. Until next time.